So here's some tips on how to have a healthier holiday versus a healthy holiday. I would love to see you have a healthy holiday where you focus on eating good foods and family time. You don't have to make Thanksgiving about sitting at the table eating. I know that's the tradition, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can have a salad bar. You can have plant-based foods that are fall harvest themed, so you don't have the big turkey sitting on the table. You don't have to cook with butter. You can make potatoes and beans and have a big salad. And instead of sitting there for hours at the table gorging on food, let people go up and eat as they want and make there be activities instead. We once had a karaoke Thanksgiving. It was so fun. Everybody brought their own healthy dish, and then we took turns singing and playing games, and it was a great time. So you don't have to focus on the food. You can just focus on the fun. Another thing you can do if you're trying to stay healthy, maybe you're trying to reverse your autoimmune disease like I have and a lot of the other people that I work with have been doing, right? If you want to do that, then you might want to eat before you go. So let's say you have a Thanksgiving meal that you're going to, or a Thanksgiving event you're going to, and you're worried about being tempted, eat before you go and then show up right after they eat. And that way you can enjoy the time with everybody without having to be at the table feeling uncomfortable about it. If you don't mind eating your own thing, bring your own food with you. You can enjoy the time with other people, but still stay on plan. So those are things you can do to actually be healthy for the holidays. Now, if you're just trying to be healthier for the holiday and you already know you're going to be eating stuff that's not good for you, well, then do your best to at least stave off some of the damage, okay? One thing you can do is be active, all right? So make sure you still go out and exercise, walk, do something active if you have the ability to do so, to give your body some extra protection against, all those extra calories you're going to be eating. And the other thing you can do is make sure you start with a salad. You know, bring one with you if you're going somewhere, or start that way at home. Fill up on your salad first. That way you're less likely to gorge on the bad stuff, but maybe just sample some of it because you're already full. So that's the difference between a healthy Thanksgiving and holiday event versus a less bad holiday event. Either way, I hope you have a beautiful time with your family and loved ones.